congratulations sa lahat. Ngayon lang kami nakita ng red carpet nila.
Correct! It's been a long time since I've been in the red carpet and I'm very, very excited. The last one I think was Rewind, but ito full blast movie na starring kami ni Barbie and I'm so excited for people to get to watch this. We shot this last year pa and finally it's out to give a good time to everybody who's gonna be able to watch it. It's a really, really good film.
What struck us is yung ngayon lang nakita ng red carpet na may donation drive.
Yes, this is something else. Actually, we were supposed to have our premiere the day after the typhoon hit. And yeah, our production with their good heart decided to postpone na lang muna to be sensitive to our kababayans who were greatly affected by the typhoon. And we decided na today, dito sa premiere night namin, it's not only a premiere night to share our movie with you, but also to share with the people who were greatly affected by the Typhoon Karina. And sobrang happy tayo kasi andito tayo to share art and to share love and give love to our kababayans. I was safe at home, thank God. Yung bahay ng mom ko, actually, unfortunately, binaha din kami. But okay naman, nakapaglinis na ng bahay. Oo, yung mom ko sa Paranaque, nabaha yung house namin. But I was safe, I was in my condo. But, oo, pero grabe lakas talaga na winds, tapos tuloy-tuloy talaga yung hangin at saka yung ulan.
Sino gamit niya?
Hindi naman, medyo sanay kami sa bahay.
Okay,
So, oo, prepared naman. So, but growing up kasi, I know the feeling talaga na binabaha. Kasi growing up, na-experience ko yun for myself. I had to go to school, talaga kami sa baha para lang makapunta ng school kapag umuulan. So, I really can feel what other people are feeling right now. Especially those people na talagang lahat nawala sa kanila. Nalulubog yung buong bahay nila, lahat ng gamit nila sa baha. And our hearts are with you, our prayers are with you. And I hope that this donation drive somehow can help na makatulong sa kanila. Finally, it's announced! I am part of the MMFF movie of Bossing and Papa P, which is The Kingdom. I'll be starring there with Miss Christine Reyes and Sid Lucero and many, many more. It's very exciting. Magsa-start na rin kami ng shoot. Tapos-postpone din yung shoot namin dahil sa bagyo. But ito na, finally magsa-start na rin kami this week. Thank you, Ate.
Thank you!